Today I'm going to be doing some shunting with this locomotive right here. Now let's get started. I have to assemble this train. That it's a cultural. Whoa. We got ourselves a runaway here, so let's see if I can stop that thing, 'cause that is not supposed to be that fast. We successfully saved all these passengers from imminent doom. I'm gonna shut off the engine. And now the crisis is fully done with. I'm gonna have to pull that E8 into the shop and see what the matter is and why it went so fast. So give me a few minutes while I back out this engine here with all of the coaches. I'll shut off this engine though. So let's go into see what the cause of the matter is. The brake always outpowers the engine, no matter what, in any vehicle. So the cause is, this. Yeah, these are, bogey wheels. The bogey wheels or the bogey. I think both are at fault. The brake shoes look pretty worse for wear currently. Yeah, on both sides. So I'm thinking that this locomotive was supposed to be set in the forward position, but it was supposed to be having its brakes on, which also begs the other question. Why was there no driver present when I went to go stop the train? When I came out of the locomotive and I walked over, or flew over, to this cab, there was nobody here. I'm going to get a report on that sooner or later. And just so happens there's a headquarters here, so now I'm gonna walk into it. Here it is, headquarters. Hello, sir. I have come to get the crash report on the, not crash report, but the report on that E8 over there. And there's the documents. Alright, thank you for that. Now I'm gonna take a few minutes trying to read this. I'm gonna go do that at the where's the library? I keep getting lost in this town. Pretty sure this is the library. No, this is a diner, but this is a good place to read that. I mean, it is kind of hard to read with all this noise. Yes, I'm looking at you. Alright, so upon further inspection, it was found out that the driver was trying to flip a switch so that it wouldn't go in the wrong line. But in the process, he did not attach the air brakes, nor did he properly set the independent brakes, which caused the brake wear on the wheels. And I'm thinking that when he was trying to move the train, he set it in the forward position, as this assumption is based off the fact that it was in the forward position on max throttle when I walked into the cab and tried to stop it completely. Now, this implies that the driver will be held accountable for all these damages that were done to this locomotive. I mean, no major damages. I'm talking about like the bogie wheels, you know. Drastic measures will be taken, and we might have to fire some people. So, yeah, not a good day. But at least I managed to successfully save all 293 people on that train. So, yeah, I think that's a good job well done. I'm gonna have to take the commuter train back. Don't know what train to take though. Now I'll go with the good old GP9. Nothing's gone wrong with the GP9. At least I don't think so. I'm gonna stop here for tonight. Sleep. Yeah, that was some not good sleep. And now I'm going to take this locomotive back over to the station, and then I'm probably gonna have to end this episode for today. I'll probably shunt this locomotive into the siding. Brakes. I guess that'll be it for today's episode, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want more to the series, please leave a like and subscribe below. Thank you. Have a good day, y'all.